What's up and welcome back to the garage. Today, as I promised in last video, today I will do a video about my Chevy, and I try to solve the problem that I have with the glow plugs. They don't work from some reason. I think it's the glow relay, but I don't know for sure. One problem is this poor battery. It's quite old and it has been outside for a few winters, so it's almost gone. I'm charging it, but I will show you the situation. As you can see, it gives only 10.6 volts, so I think it's gone. Okay. It has been here without charging a long time, and I'm trying to charge it a little bit. But before I try to start this car, I need some cables and spare battery. It's charging 8 amps, but don't let this fool you, because this is gone, this battery. But before I connect this to another battery, I will charge it a little bit. But I have to say that I'm quite poor with these car electric things, so don't do this at home. I opened the engine cover, and this is, I think, this is the glow relay. And if I understand correctly, there is this red cable is coming from the battery, and when I turn the ignition key, this relay should go on, and it should glow the plugs. Next, I will try to bypass this relay using this short cable, and I try to get those glow plugs on, so then I should try to start this car. But before that, I have to connect my spare battery on this poor Chevy's battery with the heavy cables. Now I have my spare battery on, and let's check if we have some voltage. Oh yes, 12.2. It should be enough. And I will connect this plug back on, and I try to switch the ignition key. Nothing happens. Yeah, nothing happens. And now I try to bypass the relay. Watch out. But I don't have enough juice on that battery to start this engine. But when I connected those two with the cable, the glow plug light went on, so then it's glowing the plugs. So now I still don't know if that relay is broken, or is it the bottom of this ignition lock. I have a friendly neighbor, thanks Panu. He find me this picture. Sorry about the bad quality, but I think it gives you enough information. And this is the electronic glow plug control system. The battery feed is coming from the up. It goes to glow plug controller, And when I connected those two, I got glow plugs on, and even the glow plug light went on. And if I go a little bit left, you can see the A, B, C, D and E. E is ground and D is glow plug voltage. And there's no voltage coming to that D. So I think that the problem is somewhere else than in this glow plug relay. It might be in the fuse box. I even checked all the fuses, but I'm still figuring out why there is no voltage on the relay. It's getting late and I haven't still found the reason why there is no voltage on the relay, but I think it might be the bottom of the ignition, or then there's some bad connection, because one point when I turned the key it started glowing the plugs like it should be, so it gives me the signal that there might be some kind of bad connection, but I don't have a clue where that can be. But if you have a good idea, or if you can give me advice, I would appreciate it a lot, because I'm on little bit unknown waters at the moment, because these car electrics, they really are not my specialty. But thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, thumb down, and give me some comments, especially if you have some good tips for me with this relay. Thanks for watching and see you soon.